All right, guys, this is Emmett the Alpha Builder back at it again. Guys, this video right here, let's get the right light on here. Guys, this video right here is for men. I did a video earlier about what motivated me to become a home builder. And there were dynamics that were at play that kind of really motivated me to become a home builder. But what really drives me to become the best version of myself that I possibly can and to build and try to obtain as much wealth as I can, that's a different drive. And that drive that I have, it comes from within. Now, at one time, that drive didn't come from within, guys. It actually came from the fact that I wanted to be successful because I wanted my wife to approve of me. I wanted my kids to approve. I wanted them to have more and better and things like that. And guys, when things get bad or your relationship starts to go, every guys, if you're married, you know that relationships can go up and down. But guys, when things get shaky, if your drive is from someone outside of you, it's very difficult to maintain that pace because you're doing it for the wrong reasons, guys. And so, guys, I started being driven internally. Has nothing to do with anybody else. Yes, everybody want to do good and everything like that, but the internal drive comes from within. I seek validation through myself. And in a lot of cases, guys, and I get it, especially in the African American community, guys, at a rate of 75% of our males are raised in a household outside of there that don't have a father that's in that household to kind of help teach you certain things like I'm teaching right now, or like I'm talking about right now. And most of those men have been socialized by their mothers, which is, in most cases, that's the only influence that they have. And what happens is they start seeking validation from them instead of themselves. And when they get in relationships, they start seeking validation from their significant other instead of themselves. But I'm here to tell you guys, men, you need to seek validation from within. Me and my wife was having a discussion the other day. We was at my son's baseball game, and she said that, well, you don't ever tell my son, he plays, he's really good, man. These guys, hopefully they win the state championship, man, and they still at it. But she said that you never really tell him, like you used to, how good he is and him and going to the games and things like that. I do go to some of the games, not all of them. But there was a reason I did this, guys. And I explained this to her. She said, well, you got to encourage him. This is from my wife now. You got to encourage him, which I get that. Women, let me tell you something about men. If you have to be the constant drive and motivator for that man, you got yourself a problem. See, nothing should drive your man to become the best. I want to be the best. We want to be more competitive. That drive should come from within. And if you find yourself saying that I got to motivate him and I got to push him and stuff like that, well, you're going to always have a problem with that guy. See, people who are in really, really high level sports and things like that goes to the next level in sports, because I want him to go to the next level. But people who go to the next level, yes, it starts out in most cases, guys, as the father or somebody that's helping them grow. As their kids, they don't really understand. And so it's them, they're seeking validation. But eventually, the people who take it to the next level, that's come from within. You get people like Michael Jordan and people like that, the will and the drive to become the best at what he has become, that comes from within. That don't come from his dad. Yeah, his dad can come and watch him now, but that doesn't come from, he's not seeking validation through his father. he has a burning desire to be the best. And so I just wanted to put this out here, guys, because, in a lot of cases, man, we kind of get misdirected. And in this home building industry, guys, what drives me to want to become the best, it's not my kids, not my mom and dad, it's not my wife. What drives me, guys, is me. And in some cases, to give my customers options. I want my customers to always be able to have options, and I'm trying to pull them off the grid eventually, guys. But I just thought I'd do this quick video, man, because I just wanted to, I see these guys out here, they're working hard, man, and men, you have to understand that your plight and your work and what you do in life, no one's gonna save you. Whatever you do, you got to make it on your own. You got to get out here. You got to grind. You got to fight, and you got to wrestle the saber-toothed tiger to the ground. You got to trap that woolly mammoth, because no one is going to save you. No one is going to help you. And at this point in time, guys, there appears to be certain people or certain things that are going on that kind of keep, especially in the African American community, keep us fighting each other. The men versus the women. The women got education and they got this, that, and the other, and what the men got. And they just keep driving a wedge through everybody. But I'm here to tell you guys, you're gonna have to fight. You're gonna have to get out here, and you better seek it from within. It's better come. That fight better come from within. And no one can. Because no one's out here to save you. No one's out here to help you. And if you get guys, you get, and here's another thing, guys. As a man, it's the long grind. It's the long fight that's gonna get you to the next level. You got to be in the game for years, and chances are you're probably not gonna see your maximum earning potential or who you can become until you're almost 50-something years old, 55, 60. Most millionaires today, I think, are about 60 years old. If you look at the statistics, most millionaires, 60. See, for some reason, they keep pushing this, rappers and athletes and entertainers and stuff like that. Yeah, those guys make money, man, but the probability of you making it in that realm is very slim. But if you look at the masses of people who are getting there, self-made millionaires, it's the long game that got them there. Putting their money somewhere and compound interest. This is what got them there. And even in my field, as a builder, guys, some of the things that I'm doing now, it has taken me years to get to this point. It's just taking me years, man. I mean, years upon years, and I'm still not there. And I may not ever get there. It may be one of my kids to get to the next level. But I have to get myself in a position so that I can give as much as I can give to them so that they can be even in a better position to take this thing to the next level. That's the game. So get it from within, guys. And no one's here to save you. So go get it. Because this is the way.